welcome to Bumatay Beach.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. I met my best friend in YouTube. That's very sexy and very beautiful Joma TV there. Joma TV. This is collab for the sexiest YouTuber. Oh, Joma. We are here in Bumatay Beach. Here in Luna, Balawan. Balawan. Bumatay Beach.
Balawan.
It's already low tide, so it's good to swim, guys. Hi everyone. Welcome to my vlog. This is the view. As you can see, the beach is there. The wave is there. Here it's already low tide. Low tide. Oh, this is a coral. Oh, the water is very clear. Oh, there's a fish also. But in the morning, you still have the water here is very high. So right now is not already. It's already low tide. Oh, yeah. We should go to Imoki Island, but they clean. So we here at now at Bumatay Beach. You see, it's beautiful there. So we will go there. Hi, Joma TV. Joma TV is here. Oh, diba? Nagpintas. Hamo na. Haba shell. Masugat kasi. Napayatan eh. Nagpintas. There. So there is the beach. It's low tide. You can also get oyster here, oyster and clams, sea urchin. Yeah. Sungarod, sunset. Oh, fish. I think this is a seaweed or not. Seaweed sa ato is seaweeds.
Apay kompleto.
Yes.
Suso din siya.
Ay.
Look, what is this?
Ay, nagalis. Wow, we are here already. The wave is there. Yeah. Wow.
Wave is coming.
Oh, waving is waving. Waving is waving. Yeah. So many people get at clams here. Yeah, they're getting clams and other seafood. Yeah. Tanga makadigos this toy. There. Wow, the wave. Wow. Ooh. Kata di ko ako niya. Kata nga shirt ko.
Wow, ma'am.
Sabi ko man dito nga. There. Nakuha lang ba't bato dito yan? Hindi mag-umay ito kasi sa bata. Niya, ay! Nagbara niyo naman.
Kulab.
Oh my God, Miss Doma is here. Doma.
Hi! Hi, guys!
Doma man sis na mag-video na. Kasi i-video kan ko.
Ika lang, i-stop ko lang.
Hi, welcome to Bumatay Beach with Sis Doma. I will show you later, Sis Doma.
Where are you? Hindi ka makita. Nakikita ka? Nakikita ka?
Dati ko adam siya nakababa ko.
Nagaway. Ako?
Saan? Saan ta? Welcome to Bumatay Beach. Doma is here there. Guys, there's a shell. Oh,
Wow.
this is can eat. Many people getting shell here, like over there, they're getting shell because it's low tide. Oh, wow.
Island taga dito.
Hi! Hi, bababam dito. Hi, Mrs. Joma, Joma TV.
Hi!
We meet here in Bumatay Beach. Got many coral. house, it's hard to swim. It's scary. We are scared.
Oh, my jello.
TNT, CR mo. Katay ang. Katay.
Picture daw. Picture tayo.
Picture tayo.
Picture tayo.
Banan.
Ang na video. Kabit video na kayo mga na video dati.
Na?
Wala ka nag-picture ka.
Ayun, nato ano, Joma is fall down because it's the coral.
Let's sing a song full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, never brave. Memories like this never end, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more, who won't forget your name. The tide is high, say goodbye, set it sail, and all those midnight secrets told, will take them to the grave. So when I'm gone,
Hi guys! Thank you for watching! See you again, Bumatay Beach. This is collaboration with Sis Joma TV. See you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Mwah.
close to the sun.
Walking guys to our cottage. I hope you enjoy this video with collaboration to Joma TV. Thank you guys. Hope to see you again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Joma TV and Isa Lopez. See you again. Bye bye. Feels like I'm walking in the rain. I find myself trying to wash away the pain.
Lang yan.
Sungaro.
I-edit mo sa lahat.
Sungaro.
I-edit mo sa lahat.
We
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So